Welcome back from the coffee break. I will talk about this project, about the exploration of the over-deepening alpine valleys. And the concept of this project is thinking about this particular kind of basin, which is a terrestrial basin, but is not a classic continental basin like the foreland, like the Po Plain, and the exploration of these will help to understand the transect between the mountains and the sea during the Quaternary glaciations. It has also another outcome because the over-deepened valleys, their understanding are important for construction of strategic buildings in the Alps, like tunnels across the mountain chain. The project started with a workshop in 2012, led by Roberta Pina and Cesare Ravazzi in Como, and Cesare was the Italian PI for the first phase, and the project started in 2016, and it is split in two phases. The first phases was aimed to drilling the northern foreland and the northern valleys with 5 different cores, and the phase 2 is mandatory, is subsequent to the phase 1 in order to constrain better the alpine record to the foreland sites. And the phase 1 was led by German and Switzerland universities, and every core had a PhD student devoted to the study. A first resume of the project was published 2 years ago, and you can find all the updates in the above website, which is dedicated to the project. This is an example of the drillings of the phase 1. This is Baseringen in the Rhine and moraine system that drilled over-deepened valley up down to 250 meters, and this first phase had some open results, because with the drillings they found a lot of coarse grain material, which are good in a way in order to understand the sedimentary process. It's not so good for understanding the chronology and of the filling. That's why phase 2 that we start the next year will be important in order to improve the chronological constraints for the glaciations. In red, there are the 3 master cores that are thinking about the phase 2. One in Italy, and I will talk about, one in Slovenia and one in the French Alps. Okay, and this is another image of the 3 sites compared to the LGM extent of the alpine glaciers. Moving to our sites, the master core is planned to make in the Garda and moraine system, and we in this area have also 2 bonus sites of the project. And in between, we have many drillings, old and new ones, that provide a very detailed stratigraphy for the plane, especially this side of the plane, which is called Venetian Friulian plane. The Garden Marine system has preserved the Pleistocene glaciations from stage 22 to the LGM, and it has an asymmetric architecture with a counterclockwise rotation, one glaciation to the others. And so we have a good record also of outcrops, not only for the drilling. It is a geothermal site, especially the eastern part. And so also the hydrogeological target is one of the main for this drilling. And also it is an active seismic area. So our core is planned in the largest morainic amphitheater of the southern foreland of the Alps. The site is located in an area with subsidence raise of the order of 4,500 meters for million year. The Brunes-Matuyama reversal is hypothesized at about 350 meters deep, and the Earth's surface, so the beginning of the Pleistocene glaciation at around 400 meters, with the top Jaramillo-Matuyama reversal at 450 meters. And in this area, we think that all the glaciation are stacked one above the other, and hopefully having some interglacial units too. And this is the only one in the project that have this potential for knowing the stratigraphy of the entire stack of Pleistocene glaciations. About the bonus sites in the Friulian plain, we have two cores. The Azzano Decimo core, which has 20 years, but needs to be improved in the analysis in order to better understand the paleoclimatic signal. And the Palazzolo dello Stella core, which was funded by Regione Friuli Venezia Giulia, in which, with the age depth model, we reached stage 12 at the bottom of the core. And also this core is under investigation. If we make a kind of rough profile along the Venetian Friulian plain, we can understand with the results we have in progress that that we have a good constraint for the last glacial maximum and the stage 6. In order, with provenance analysis, we can see that every glaciation has its own provenance signal. This means that the glaciers that fed these rivers were in a different shape and in a different thickness also during each glaciation. And this is very important in order to understand what happened also from a paleoclimate point of view. And in this figure, you can see the two master cores, the one in the Garda and the other in Slovenia, with the bonus sites and the drillings that we have in the plain, and the connection that links the two master cores in glaciated area with the foreland plain. In this sketch, we will need a last one in the Northern Adriatic Sea in order to complete the data set. Last, the open questions are co-funding the drilling. We have an agreement with Regione Veneto for having more money for the drilling. But as Fabio Florindo said yesterday, we need also money for core analysis. So we need students, postdoc, for the different aspect of the investigation that we need to do in the master course, but again in the bonus sites. We need to understand where and how to do the core logs, and last, the core repository, because we need a place to stock these cores during the next, I think, 10 years at least. Thanks.